Trump's new tariffs could be setting off a trade war between the U.S. and some of its biggest trading partners. Canada and Mexico have already promised retaliation tariffs in response to President Trump's executive orders signed yesterday. Here's ABC's Perry Russom.
President Trump signing executive orders imposing a 25% tariff on all goods coming from Mexico and Canada, with a lower 10% tariff on Canadian energy and a 10% tariff on goods from China. Trump blaming all three countries for illegal immigration and drug trafficking, an accusation they deny. Canada says they've made progress at the border, with crossings down 89% in recent months.
Less than 1% of fentanyl, less than 1% of illegal crossings into the United States come from Canada.
Prime Minister Justin Trudeau says Canada will retaliate with 25% tariffs on more than $100 billion in U.S. goods, criticizing the very premise of Trump's decision. Some Canadian provinces ordering government-run liquor stores to remove American alcohol from shelves.
Canadians are perplexed, I think disappointed. We view ourselves as your neighbor, your closest friend, your ally.
Mexico's president also vowing to retaliate with tariffs of their own, blasting the Trump administration for accusing her government of working with drug traffickers, saying that, quote, the people govern in Mexico, not the cartels. And China's government denouncing the tariffs, saying it will take unspecified countermeasures against them, but still leaving the door open for talks with the U.S. Those tariffs set to go into effect on Tuesday just after midnight. Trump acknowledging in a social media post there could be some pain for Americans with implementing tariffs.
You campaigned on lowering prices. You campaigned on this wallet. But your tariffs will have more money come out of this wallet for so many goods and services.
The Tax Foundation estimates American families could pay $800 more on average this year with those tariffs in place. And Moody's chief economist estimates inflation will rise by about 0.5 percentage point by this time next year. Adding Americans can expect higher prices for fresh produce, clothing, electronics, cars, and more. Perry Russom, ABC News, Washington.